Russia's aviation industry continues to modernize as it prepares for large-scale production of domestically built passenger aircraft. One of the latest developments has taken place at the Yakovlev production center in Komsomolsk-on-Amur. New paint drying systems have been installed on the assembly lines that manufacture aircraft doors for the SJ-100 and MC-21 airliners. These systems are designed to improve production efficiency and manufacturing quality. Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel presenting this analysis, explains that even highly specialized components, such as aircraft doors, require extremely precise engineering processes. Manufacturing environments must be tightly controlled to meet strict aviation standards. The installation of the new painting and curing facilities is part of a broader effort to strengthen Russia's domestic aerospace manufacturing capabilities. Reducing dependence on foreign industrial technologies remains a major priority. To understand why these upgrades matter, it is important to look at the two aircraft programs involved. The systems were introduced specifically for the SJ-100 regional jet and the MC-21 passenger aircraft. The MC-21 is Russia's next-generation narrow-body airliner designed for medium-range routes. The aircraft features advanced aerodynamics and extensive use of composite materials in its wings. Modern engines and updated onboard systems are also part of the design. These features aim to improve fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Altitude Addicts notes that the MC-21 program is considered a key milestone in rebuilding Russia's independent civil aviation industry. It is intended to compete with major global narrow-body aircraft families. At the same time, the SJ-100 represents an updated version of the Sukhoi Superjet platform. The new version replaces several Western components with domestically produced systems. This redesign improves technological independence and long-term sustainability for the aircraft program. Both aircraft are expected to play a major role in Russia's future civil aviation fleet. As production of these aircraft increases, improvements in manufacturing efficiency become increasingly important. Component quality and production speed must both meet demanding standards. Altitude Addicts explains that the newly installed paint drying complexes are integrated directly into the door production lines. This means coating and sealing processes are now part of the main assembly workflow. Previously, some of these operations were performed separately from the primary production line. Integrating them into the main workflow improves efficiency. The new equipment was developed and supplied by Russian engineering companies. This reflects a broader policy of industrial localization. Advanced aviation painting systems require highly controlled environments. Precise climate control, ventilation management, and monitoring technologies are essential. Altitude Addicts explains that relying on domestic equipment offers several advantages. Maintenance, upgrades, and technical support can all be handled locally. This also allows engineers to customize the equipment specifically for Russian aircraft production needs. As a result, the system becomes more adaptable to local manufacturing conditions. Although painting may appear to be a simple step in aircraft manufacturing, it is actually one of the most technically complex processes. Aircraft doors in particular require extremely precise coating procedures. During flight, aircraft doors experience large pressure differences between the cabin and the outside atmosphere. Protective coatings must therefore maintain durability over thousands of flight cycles. These coatings protect the structure from corrosion and environmental damage. They also contribute to the long-term reliability of the door assemblies. Altitude Addicts explains that specialized sealants are also applied during the coating process. These sealants ensure hermetic sealing and prevent air leakage. However, these materials must cure under carefully controlled conditions. Temperature, humidity, and airflow all influence the chemical curing process. If environmental conditions are unstable, defects can appear. These defects may include microscopic cracks or incomplete curing. Even small imperfections can cause problems during quality inspections. In some cases, costly rework may be required. For this reason, aircraft coating operations rely heavily on stable environmental parameters. Consistent temperature and humidity levels are essential. One of the most innovative features of the new painting systems is their multi-zone architecture. Instead of using a single chamber, the system contains several independent work zones. The complex used for SJ-100 door production includes 3 separate zones. The MC-21 production complex contains 4 zones. Each zone can operate with different environmental parameters. This allows multiple technological processes to occur at the same time. Altitude Addicts explains that one zone may apply sealants under controlled humidity conditions. Another zone may cure previously coated components at higher temperatures. This design transforms the workflow from a strictly sequential process into a partially parallel one. Several door assemblies can move through different stages simultaneously. The systems are also equipped with advanced climate control technologies. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are precisely regulated in each work zone. Sensors continuously monitor environmental parameters throughout the production process. This ensures that coatings cure correctly and sealants develop the proper chemical properties. Altitude Addicts notes that isolating the chambers from external environmental changes is another important feature. Seasonal weather variations cannot affect the production environment. Such stability guarantees consistent manufacturing results throughout the year. Maintaining these conditions is essential for aerospace quality standards. Another important component of the system is digital monitoring. All environmental parameters are automatically recorded during the production cycle. Sensors track temperature, humidity, ventilation, and processing time. The data is stored in digital archives. Altitude Addicts explains that this creates a complete production history for every aircraft door. Such traceability is required by modern aerospace certification standards. If a component is later inspected or analyzed, engineers can review the exact conditions under which it was produced. This improves quality assurance and helps optimize production processes. Another goal of the new systems is to shorten production time. Drying and curing stages often create bottlenecks in manufacturing. The new complexes use optimized heating and airflow technologies to accelerate curing. This reduces waiting periods between production stages. Altitude Addicts notes that faster curing allows components to move through the assembly process more quickly. This increases the total output of finished aircraft doors. Improving consistency is another major advantage. Aircraft manufacturing requires highly repeatable processes. Small variations in coating thickness or curing conditions can affect durability. Standardized environmental control reduces these variations. Automation within the new systems also reduces the influence of human factors. Every component is processed under the same carefully controlled conditions. Altitude Addicts explains that such standardization is essential for serial aircraft production. Large numbers of components must meet identical performance standards. Although installing paint drying systems may seem like a minor upgrade, the impact is significant. These systems improve both manufacturing efficiency and product quality. They also demonstrate the growing capabilities of domestic industrial equipment manufacturers. Russia's aerospace sector increasingly relies on locally developed technologies. Altitude Addicts concludes that such technological improvements are essential for the long-term development of Russia's aviation industry. The SJ-100 and MC-21 programs depend on reliable and efficient manufacturing. Every improvement in production infrastructure contributes to the larger goal of building competitive passenger aircraft domestically. The new multi-zone painting complexes in Komsomolsk-on-Amur therefore represent another step toward modern next-generation aircraft manufacturing. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.